If you're considering A Grade Ahead's Enrichment at Home program to give your child an edge in the classroom, you've made a good choice. Let us show you just how easy it is to get started. The first step is registration. Go to register.agradeahead.com and provide your contact information, your child's grade, and select the programs he or she would like to take. Then enter a credit card payment and you're officially a member of the A Grade Ahead family. As soon as we receive your registration, our staff will prepare a packet of material just for your child. It includes a booklet of lessons, worksheets, and an answer key. Everything you need to administer the program at home. You'll receive your material at your home around the first day of the month. This will give your child a full month to complete the work. Each week, your child will be introduced to a new lesson and will practice these concepts with 3 days of homework. At the end of the month, most students have the option of completing a fun, interactive activity using household items. A Grade Ahead's curriculum is designed to build in difficulty each week so that your child will not be bored and will continue to learn and grow. To keep track of your child's progress, we have an online parent portal. Simply log in and enter your students' worksheet scores weekly, and our charts will show progress over time. The parent portal also allows you to make payments and manage your account. Enrichment at Home has helped thousands of students unlock their potential to move A Grade Ahead. Will your child be the next to benefit? Register today at register.agradeahead.com.